Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another LeetCode question. Today is question 206, reverse linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So this question can be solved by just using pointers. And how we can do it is just iterate through the nodes. And as we iterate through the nodes, we want to assign a previous node. So we want to assign a previous node and iterate through the nodes. And as we iterate the nodes, we want to reassign the current nodes next to previous node. So we want to reassign the current nodes next to the previous node and iterate through the nodes. And then at the end, we could just return the previous node. And the solution is O of n, O of 1 space, O of n because we have to iterate through all the nodes, and O of 1 space because we don't use any additional space other than pointers. So we can start coding. Our previous node will start off as none, and then we will iterate all the nodes. So our current node is the head node. When we reassign the current node, and we will move forward with our head node, and then we'll go back and reassign our current, the old current next node to the previous node, and then we can reassign current. No, we have to reassign previous. So we have to iterate, we have to move next first, because if we have this line before this line, it will change the next node, and when we go to head.next, it will be different from what we want it to do. Oh, yeah. And then we can just return previous node. See if that works. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one. Peace out.